14-year-old boy is brought to the physician's office by his foster parents because he was recently caught beating a stray cat in an alley near their. He has a police record which includes vandalism, shoplifting, and running away twice. He also has received several detentions and threats of expulsion from school due to bullying and aggression towards younger students. Medical history is significant for ADHD, previously treated with methylphenidate. He is not currently taking any medication. His biological family placed him and his sister into the foster care system. His foster parents try to provide support and nurturing home life, but the patient is very resistant and often acts out. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis for this patient? It is conduct disorder, which is because he's less than 18 years, which is the absolutely correct answer. So now all of these features, okay, of being disrespectful towards people, harming animals, harming young people, having no regard for social rules. These are basically people who are almost criminals in a way, all right? And they have no remorse for it. They don't care. They're like, so what? I shoplifted. So what? I beat the stray cat. They have no empathy, nothing. This is called conduct disorder. And if this is present in somebody more than 18 years of age, then it is called antisocial personality disorder. Same features are also seen in antisocial personality disorder. But since his age is 14 years, we will diagnose it as conduct disorder, which is diagnosed when the patient is less than 18 years of age. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, the patient would just have attention deficit and hyperactivity, as it is said in the words there. He's not going to be like a criminal, beating people, beating cats, doing shoplifting and getting detention and stuff. That would be ADHD. Okay. Oppositional defiant disorder can also have all these things, but it's not because the person is bad or criminal minded. It's only because he wants to show opposition to somebody. Okay. So in oppositional defiant disorder, the patient is just going to misbehave in front of figures of authority. So he won't listen to teachers, parents, or any other figures of authority. Here, the patient is, staying away from school and is, not running away from home. So this could be a oppositional defiant disorder. But what sets it apart as conduct disorder is the fact that he's also troubling harmless people who are not in authority positions, like cats or younger students, and doing shoplifting and stuff like that. So which is why it's not a positional defiant disorder. Oppositional defiant is quite specific to rebellion against authority figures. Schizoid personality disorder is basically, we have seen in the previous two classes. It's just somebody who would be happy by himself in a lighthouse. It's somebody who does not like interacting with people, is very happy by himself, does not want to form any social relationships. Okay? So that's a personality disorder. And if you give him a job where he lives in a lighthouse, he'll be more than happy. Okay? So this is nothing even close to schizoid personality disorder, which is why we rule it out. And our correct answer here is conduct disorder. Okay, so conduct disorder is a psychiatric disorder in someone younger than 18 years with many problematic behaviors like aggression towards people and animals, forced sexual behavior, destruction of property, deceitfulness, lying, theft, serious violation of rules. It's more common in boys than girls. Incident rates are higher in families with history of abuse, drug use. In this case, the patient was in the foster care system, so even in them. Children and adolescents often progress to antisocial personality disorder.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.